blank. In the beginning, fragments of ideas, a cup of coffee, mandrake roots, a two-headed pony flying by an old train wreck, empty vessels of the mind. I put the key to my chest and opened the door to my heart, to show that pain is to humans as sugar is to the fly. Creating a world that grows from inside, it gives birth to the mind, darker places, forbidden corners. All of this is left behind, because everything burns with the blink of an eye.